Hello there. You're watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da. And today I'm going to show you how to do fractions on a calculator. We're going to use what's called Desmos. Desmos calculator. Okay. So what I want you to do is go into your address bar, which is up here, and you hit Desmos, Desmos.com. Desmos.com. Okay. And when you get to Desmos, you click here on Math Tools, and I want you to use Scientific Calculator. Okay. Scientific Calculator. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do some of these fractions right here. Okay. So for example, if I want to do 4/3 times 1/4, when you're going to do a fraction on this calculator, okay, first, do you see this A over B right here? Okay. A over B, you hit that first. Before you do a fraction, you have to hit this first. You see how a fraction bar comes up? You type in the 4 and then go to the bottom and type in the 3. Okay. Then we're going to go over to the right. You got to click on the right. Okay. Because I'm doing 4/3 times 1/4. Okay. Do you see how already there's something over here like an answer, because 4/3 actually equals this number. Okay. Don't worry about that yet. I'm going to go ahead and hit times, and then I'm going to hit this fraction again. And I'm going to type 1 on top, 4 on the bottom. Okay. Now I could hit enter, but the answer is already here. You see 0.33333333. I don't want a decimal. I want a fraction. So you see this circle button over here. It says convert to fraction. That's what we're going to do. Convert to fraction. Okay. 1/3 is my answer. Okay. Look at this. If I click on it again, it would convert to decimal, right? Which would be that 0.33333, right? Okay, you can go back and forth. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, because then it leaves it there with my answer, and I can go on to a new problem. I'm going to do the second one, which is 4/3. Hit the A over B first. 4/3. Click to the right, times. Notice how the answer goes away as soon as I hit times, because I'm not done. This little thing here, this little exclamation point in the triangle says you need something on both sides of the times symbol, all right, or else it's not going to give you an answer. So -6, I'm not going to do the A over B because it's just a basically, it's an integer. Okay, an integer, -6. So I'm going to type -6. Whoops, not -60, -6. Okay, my answer is -8. Okay, I don't have to change it to a decimal or a fraction because it's already in an integer form. I'm hitting return. The next one I'm going to do is 3 times 4/3. Here I go, 3 times, I got to hit the fraction key, 4 on top and then 3 on the bottom. Answer is 4. See that? I can hit enter. Okay. By the way, I want you to note that 4/3, we're not doing mixed numbers. We could. I could make this 1 1/3. Okay. Your answers are always going to come up as improper fractions. So we're going to be okay with improper fractions. Here, the next one is plus. All right. Once again, A over B, 3 on top, 4 on the bottom. Don't forget to click to the right. This is very important that you do that. If you don't click to the right, by the way, what's going to happen if you hit plus? Look at that. It's going to do plus on the bottom there, on the bottom of the fraction. I don't want that in this particular case. I might want that sometime, but not right now. Click to the right to put plus. I need another fraction, a over b. 1 on top. Click on the bottom, put the 8. See 0.875. I'm going to click on the circle to make it 7/8. That's my answer. Okay. I'm going to do 1/2 minus 7/8. Okay, fraction. 1 on top, 2 on the bottom. Click to the right. Minus. Fraction. 7 on top, 8 on the bottom. Boom. Negative 0.375. Hit the fraction. Negative 3/8. Done. Sweet. And it reduces for you, by the way. Okay. In fact, I'm going to get to another problem where that makes more sense. So hold off on that thought. All right. The next one is -3 minus 4/3. Hit the fraction first. 4. Click on the bottom. 3. Again, it's a decimal. I want to convert to fraction. Notice how it gives me an improper fraction, -13/3. Okay. Next one, 7/8 fraction, a over b. It's 7. Go to the bottom, put 8. Don't forget to click to the right. Minus fraction. 1 on top. Go to the bottom. 8. Okay, 0.75. Click on the fraction. 3/4. Now, by the way, 7/8 minus 1/8 is 6/8, right? So what Desmos is doing for you is reducing automatically. 6/8 equals 3/4. So you don't have to worry about reducing, it reduces for you. Woohoo! Okay. Negative fraction 3/4. Click to the right, plus 1. I'm going to convert to fraction, 1/4. Done. Okay. Oh, watch what happens with this. How do you do divide? Check this out. All right. 3. I'm going to hit divided by now. What is that? Okay. It's a fraction bar. Fraction bar means divide. Okay. I want to do 3/1/4. So I'm going to hit fraction now. And then hit 1 on the top, 4 on the bottom. There's my answer, 12. Done. Even when I click to the right, 3/1/4 is 12. Okay. I want to do one. I want to make up a problem here. What if I had, okay, say, I don't know, 5 over 7 divided by 13/15, some crazy thing like that, okay? Watch this. I'm going to do, fraction first. Fraction. 5, 7 on the bottom. Click to the right. Watch what happens. Divided by. Look at that bar again. Notice how this bar is bigger than this fraction here. All right, that's what it does for divide. Okay, it's just how it does it. Looking up here, you see how this divide is bigger than this fraction bar here, right? Okay, so I'm going to divide by, again, I'm going to hit fraction, and I'm going to do 13 on top, and then click on the bottom, 15. Okay, I have this very funky decimal. I'm going to convert to fraction, 75 over 91. Boom, that's my answer. Okay, that's how you divide with fractions. All right, so when you divide, it will give you always this fraction bar. That means divide, okay? But this is how we're going to do fractions now, okay, using Desmos, okay? You've been watching the Weiss channel.